In front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Google. Now choose All Services and scroll again to hit Autofill with Google here. Finally, choose Google Password Manager. Click Add Password at the top and input all of those informations. Over here, you can type in any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!